Good evening everyone. Welcome to all for today's session. I'll wait for a few seconds for more people to join in. Hello everyone, I am Neha Best, counselor at Advise International, which is one-stop solution for your international study needs. We are assisting students since 1991 to select and pursue their right course in abroad. We are having 23 branches in India. So today I am quite excited to speak about the greatest study in UK, starting with the United Kingdom, which is also known as Great Britain. This country is formed of four major regions: England, Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. English is the official language of this country. UK has the fifth largest economy in the world. United Kingdom is 4.5 hours behind of India. Direct flights from India and direct flights to India. So let's talk about the greatest study in UK. UK qualifications are respected throughout the world and recognized by the 160 countries. Studying in UK, you will be building a solid foundation for your future. Many of the world's outstanding scientists, lawyers, engineers, artists, writers, thinkers, politicians and business people have benefited from a UK education. The education system here is one of the world's oldest and best established, as a country is cosmopolitan, safe, rich in history and culture. Quality of research in UK is high and futuristic, which reflects in the course curriculum. Duration of programs make it viable option. Cost of education as comparison to other countries very lower. Getting admission into highly ranked university is academic based and not majorly on competitive exam based. Yes, that's true. UK don't want any kind of competition exams like SAT, GRE, GMAT. Visa process in UK is very systematic and fair. The intake time suits the Indian students very well because Indian students got their result and in June, July or you can say May also. Okay, so UK education provide a vibrant, creative and challenging environment in which to learn and develop your potential, and their education quality standards are among the best in the world. When we talk about the UK education, it's all about the world top ranked universities like King's College London, University of Edinburgh, Imperial College London, London School of Economics, University College London, University of Warwick, University of Glasgow. These all are top ranked universities, are having successful education history in the entire world. Teachers are well educated. Universities are having many different accreditation or professional bodies like AMBA, REBA, CIPD, etc. who keep an eye on the quality course of UK. So let's talk about the courses. UK is having wide range of courses in the field of business, management, engineer, any kind of technology program, medical, veterinary sciences, hospitality, psychology, law, teaching, any kind of program. Any course you name and you will find in UK universities with different specialization. Also you can have the dual degree program, topper program and the conversion program too. UK education offers you the sort of experience that you won't find anywhere else. It's not just about the lectures and practicals you will attend. You will also have the access to college libraries, extensive research resources, ultra-modern computer facilities, science and practical laboratories, as well as workshop equipped with state-of-the-art equipment, fantastic sport facilities, music rooms and drama studios, all of which add value to your course. And that's before you even start to take into account the value of the experience you will gain from studying in the modern. progressive and multicultural environment in UK has to offer. It's a unique experience that you can't put a price on. So let's talk about the degrees. UK is providing two types of degree. One is master and the other is undergraduate degree. In master's degree, you can complete your master's degree in a very shortest time as comparison to other countries, like 1 year. Yes, UK is providing 1 year master's degree. Let's talk about the bachelor's degree. Bachelor's degree courses vary from 1 year to 4 years depending on the course you have choose. In bachelor's, many courses now offer the option of studying overseas or spending a year working in industry so that you can apply what you are learning directly to the workplace. Apart from these courses, UK is also providing foundation course which also called pathway program, higher national certificate, higher national diploma, pre-masters program and the summer courses too. Let's talk about the budget. In UK, undergraduate degree and postgraduate degree fees range started from 10,000 GBP, I mean 10,000 Great Britain pound to 35,000 Great Britain pound. Depending on the courses, like MBA course for experienced students tend to be more expensive as well as some finance courses. The ranking of the universities also affect the fees range. Intakes, mainly September and January are the major intake of UK. Some universities offer intakes in November, April, June and August too. Students work 20 hours part-time during their education. Also, students can work full-time during their vacations like Christmas, Easters. UK qualification let employers know at the glance that you have got the skills they are looking for, putting you on the right track for a great job and a great salary. After graduating, more than 95% of UK graduates have gained employment. If you want to be a doctor or lawyer, you obviously have to have the appropriate qualification, but a degree is often considered just as necessary for many other careers, such as working in government, publishing, public relations or marketing. A degree will let employers know that you are a capable or independent thought, able to undertake research and analysis, and that you have prepared to work hard. Internships. Okay, so lot of universities now offer internships, work placement as part of a course, or you can say extended degree option. Duration on the course. Some examples of the universities offering some scheme, like such schemes are Portsmouth University, Coventry University, University of Lancashire, Hartford University, London Metropolitan Greenwich University. As I said earlier, like other universities, like other countries, they do not require many tests like SAT, GMAT, GRE, IELTS, so you don't have to give any kind of exam to take admission in UK. So as of now, do you have any question too you can ask? MS in UK. Yes, they do have master's program in UK. For that, you have to visit our nearest branch. You need to show at least 10 to 12 lakh for your living expenses for UK visa. It depends you are going in inner London or outer London. No, that's not true. You will get job in UK just because of they are offering international students to do work after studies. They are offering 2 years work permit after studies. So surely they have jobs, that's why they have opened their work permit. No, we don't have any branch in Toronto, but you can touch via Facebook and Instagram. We are active there. Yes, we do represent doctorate in UK, but we don't have any kind of online program related to doctorate degree. Yes, that's true. GRE is not required for any kind of engineering program. That is a plus point too, but it's not an academic requirement. Which university is best? Well, if I talk about UK, all universities are best in UK. Does age matter? No, age doesn't matter in UK. Yes, you can apply. Okay, so what is the requirement to get admission without IELTS? Get admission without IELTS in UK, make sure you will have at least 75 minimum marks in your 12th in English exam. Or you can provide medium of instruction if your all study is in English. Yes, Duolingo accepted. Gap is not considered by the universities. If you're having any gap, you have to convince to the university like why you're having this type of gap. I mean, for this month, like how many years you're having gaps. GRE and TOEFL is not required for UK. Well, GRE is not required for UK, but TOEFL and any kind of English exam, it's required. But it depends what is your profile. If you're having good marks in your English in your 12th, you don't have to give any kind of English exam. MIM best or should apply for MBA? It depends on your profile, because if I talk about MBA degree in UK, MBA needs work experience, at least 2 to 3 year work experience as a assistant manager, as a supervisor, as a leader. Anything, something which which represent your quality skills. So if you are not eligible for MBA, you should apply for MIM. Does international student get job in aerospace engineering due to government security reason, and does aerospace engineering good in UK and what future scope? Well, Rajsa, if I talk about the aerospace engineering, they do have jobs, but it depends on your academic how you're studying there. I mean, if you're doing good, if you're studying good, they do have jobs, they do have tie-up with that industries, so they can provide you jobs too. What is PR opportunities? Well, UK has started their work permit and the point-based immigration too. So definitely they have the opportunities for PR. I am ECE, can I do master in CSC? Okay, if you are from electronics background, yes, you can do masters in particular computer science, like data science you can go. It is possible to get visa with family. Yes, it is possible to visa get family, but it depends on the profile, on it depends on the applicant's profile. Student, yes. Yes, UK is providing spouse visa too with family. Can you please tell me the same thing for Canada? I am not the concerned person for Canada. For that, I request you kindly visit our nearest branch. Can I apply for the university you don't have representation with? Yes, you can apply for the university which we don't represent, but we have a paid package for those universities. Okay, so Payal, if you're having overall budget 25 lakh, you can go. Yes, you can go. Yes, you can go. Any more questions? Can we take a spouse along, or we have to apply later after applicant reaches over there? Shravan, yes, you can take your spouse along with you. It's not like mandatory that your applicant reach over after you. That's not mandatory. Your country name? We are from India. Dependent visa charges. Are you asking about our charges or the visa services charges? Visa charges. Payal, how old money have to show on visa? At least 28 days old. Advice doesn't charge us anything. Our all services free of cost. We are not charging any single penny from the student. We are representing almost all universities in UK, so we don't have charge. Visa charges 34 to 36,000 Indian currency. Chahor, right now I am from Chandigarh, but we do have branches in all over India. If I have already offer letter, would you charge for visa only? Yes, we do charge approximately 10,300. Hi, do you guys help for undergraduate degree also? Yes, we do help with the undergraduate degree in any university you want in UK. No, that's not true. You MBA from Canada without work experience. Branch. Yes, you can have my contact number. It's 022 4081 4 times 3. Okay, we are not charging anything. 23 lakh too. And if I talk about the living expenses will be 11 to 12 lakh. I'm studying in BCom. I can do MBA in Canada. I'm not the concerned person for Canada. For Canada, you have to. MBA will course started cost will be 18 lakh and it goes approximately 35 lakh. Loans help. We're thinking about MBA, so you can apply for UK universities and USA too.